Good morning students. Sai Ram. Today we are going to continue chapter 2 number work part 7. In today's class we are going to learn even and odd numbers, international and Devanagari numerals. Now here even number means everyone has a partner. Now suppose here you can see I had put 4 balls on the screen, right? In this picture you can see 4 balls. Now let us group these balls in pairs of 2. 1 ball, 2 ball. 1 ball, 2 ball. So here can you see any ball left? No. Both the balls are having two pairs. They are in pairs of 2. Means both the all the 4 balls are in pairs. They have a partner. So what does it mean? That number 4 is a even number. Okay. That is number 4 is even number. Now odd numbers. Odd number means everyone does not have a partner. Now here you can see there are 5 ice cream cones shown on the screen. Now let us group these ice creams also in pairs of 2. 2 ice cream, again 2 ice cream, but here you can see 1 ice cream is left. So how many total ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what does it means? That 5 is a odd number. When the numbers are not in pairs and 1 left, then that number is a odd number. Now numbers which leave no remainder when we divide them by 2 are called even numbers, right? Now suppose here they have given one example 12. I have taken the number 12. Let us see. If I divide 12 by 2. Here what I have written, numbers which leave no remainder. Now if I say table of 2. In table of 2 when you get 12, 2 6 are 12. So what you get? Remainder is 0. Do you get any number in remainder? No. So what does it mean? That number 12 is even number. When you get remainder as 0, when you divide any number by 2 and the remainder is 0, then that number is called an even number. Now let us take another. Numbers that leave a remainder of 1 when divided by 2 are called odd numbers. Means when we divide any number by 2 and if you get remainder, okay, 1 or 2 or any other number, okay, then that is called a odd number. Let us see 15. If we divide 15 by 2. Do you get 15 in table of 2? No. So what we will do? We will take less number than 15. So we will take 2 sevens are 14. So here 5 minus 4, 1. 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So here what is the remainder you got? 1. It means 15 is which number then? Odd number, right? So always remember the numbers, or you can, in other words, you can remember this way: the number which comes in table of 2, that are called even numbers, and the numbers which does not come in table of 2 are called odd numbers. Now here even and odd, I have written even and odd numbers now, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are called even numbers. This number comes in table of 2. And odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This numbers does not come in table of 2. So these are called odd numbers. Now let us see, make the pairs and find out what I have told is correct or no, right? Now I had put the dots. Now let me make the pairs. Now 2 dots. So any dot is left here? No. Here also 4 dots. So let us make 2 pairs. Nothing is left. So it is even number. Here also I had put 6 dots. Let us make pair of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So here also you can see that nothing is left. All the numbers are having pairs. It means they are even numbers. Now here also I had put 8 dots. 1, 2 pair. Again 2 pairs. See, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So here I got 4 pairs. Here I got 3 pairs. Here I got 2 pairs. And up I got, in the number of 2, I got 1 pair. So these are all even numbers. Now let us see odd numbers. Here also let us make a pair. Now here only 1 is there. Now if you are all alone, right? You have any pair here? No. So it means there is no pair, right? So 1 is odd number. Now let us take 3. Now I will make pair of 2. 1 and 2. Again 1 is left. So again 3 is odd number. Let us make pair here 5. 1, 2, 1, 2. In 5 also you can see 1 dot is left. So again it is odd number. Now let us make 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 3 pairs. But again 1 is left. So that is also odd number. Now let us make 9. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again 1 is left. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are which numbers? Odd numbers. Understood? Now here you can count the flowers. Okay, and tell me whether it is even or odd number. So easy trick I have showed you. If the pictures are there, you can make pairs and find out, right? Let us make pairs and see, children. Yes. This flower with this. Again there is a pair. Here this is a pair. But here this flower is left. So it is which number? Even or odd? Yes, it is odd number. Very good. Now here also. Now nice juicy apples you can see, isn't it? Now let us find out whether how many apples are there in this picture? 6. So whether it is even or odd. So we will make pairs now. 1, 2, 3. Here nothing is left, right? So here 6 is which number? Even or odd? Very good. That is even number. Now make pairs of 2 and decide whether the number is even or odd. Now you have learned how to make pairs. I have shown you with the dots also, right? Now let us take 16. Now what you will do to find the pairs? You have to divide that number by what? By 2. Let us divide this number by 2. So you can show 16 divided by 2. Now in table of 2, when you get 16, 2 8s are 16, right? So what is your answer? 8. You are not getting anything remainder here. It means you, how many pairs you are getting? 8 pairs, right? 8 pairs you are getting. So if you don't get any remainder, 0, which what is that number? Even or odd? Yes, yes, it is even number. Understood? So this way you have to make pairs. Now let us see 33. Now 33 divided by 2. Now if it is a big number, you cannot draw and find out, right? You can divide and see. Now we will take 2 ones are 2. Now we got 13 here, right? Now what we will do, in table of 2 you are not getting 13, but you can take smaller number than 13. 2 6 are 12. So you will get 1 here, right? It means you, how many pairs you are getting? 16 pairs. But here you got 1 remainder, right? And 1 minus 1 is 0. So it means 1 loose. When you get 1 loose, what you will do? Which is that number, even or odd? It is odd number. Understood, children? So this is the way you have to make pairs and find out the answer, whether it is even or odd. Now, if there are big numbers, then how you will find out? Always see the numbers which are in the units place. That is, these numbers. Units place numbers, right? If the units place number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. I'll write here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then which number it is? Even number. If the number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then that number is what? Odd number. Okay. Now you see the number in units place. Which number is there? 5. And now see down. 5 is which number I have written there? Odd number. So you will write it is odd number. Now see 7. 7 comes in which column? Even or odd? Odd, right? So you will write here it is odd number. We are only going to see this units places and write whether it is even or odd. Okay, children? Now see 4. 4 comes in table of 2. It is even number. So you will write E. Now here also see O. 0, right? Not O, 0. Now here 0 comes in table of 2, right? So it is again even number. Now next 3. 43. See the units place 3. 3 is which number? You can see it is coming in odd number. So you will write O. Now next 4. Again 4 comes in table of 2. You can see I have written there 4. So it is which number? Even number. Understood, children? Now here you can see on the screen I have shown you currencies, right? Not only of our country but of other countries. I have shown dollar, I have shown pound, I have shown rupee, right? Now here what is the common thing in all the notes you can see? Yes, that the numbers on the notes are written in which language? English language, right? Why it is written in English language? So that all will be able to read them. Okay. Not only on the notes you see the numbers are written in English, but even you can see the bus train tickets or the airline tickets or the train tickets. On that also the numbers are written in English language. Right? When numbers are written in English, these numerals are called international numerals, so that it is easy for everyone to understand it. Right? So these are called international numerals. Now here, international numerals you are very well aware. You write now from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That are called international numerals. And Devanagari numerals means you write in Hindi. Ginti you write na 1, 2, 3, 4. That is called Devanagari numerals. Right? Here I have written in English also. I have written in Devanagari numerals also. So that is where you are very well aware because you know Hindi Ginti. You have studied, right? Now, how 1 is written in Hindi you can see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once you know how the international numerals are written in Devanagari numerals, you can write both ways. If Devanagari is given, you can write in international. If international is given, you can write in Devanagari numerals, right? Now let us see. Next question. Now here I have given match the column. One side I have given international numerals and the other side I have given Devanagari numerals. Now you have to match it. You know how to write it, right? Let us see now. Now the first number is 129. Now you know how 1 is written in Hindi, how 2 is written in Hindi, in Devanagari, and 9 is written. So you will match. Okay. Now let's see, second number is 648. 648. Now how 6 is written? 4 is written and 8 is written. So how you will match? Yes, very good. Now let's see 507. Okay. Where is 507, children? Yes, very good. Now we will see the next number, that is 356. Written. Very good, children. So this is the way you should learn it, how to write in both the ways. Now with this, our chapter 2 number work is completed. Okay. I hope you all must have understood this chapter very well. Thank you.